at Arawak in Island Harbour.
We have some exciting news from the Arawak Beach Club. They are open again with brand new renovated rooms and tons of upgrades. The property is looking better than ever.
So let's go take a look around and I'll show you guys all the gorgeous rooms.
Over here we have this picture-perfect bar area with a beautiful view of Island Harbour. It's a great spot to come grab a drink, relax, and refresh. Come winter, this will be a full operating restaurant complete with a pool right in there. And look at this, isn't it just so charming, just so picture-perfect? Now let's go check out the rooms. From the bar and outdoor lounge area, we have the laundry room here. This is available for your personal use, which is super great if you're staying for a long time. The colors are just gorgeous. It is so nice to see the Arawak back and vibrant, beautiful than ever. The gorgeous landscaping, all the use of the natural plants, beautiful views of Island Harbour. So this is our first stop. This pretty in pink suite is the Honeymooner. So this is a spacious studio, perfect for couples, complete with an oversized California king bed. You have these gorgeous vaulted ceilings. Every room has a flat screen TV, AC. And then this room, the view is gorgeous, looking out to Scilly Cay and Island Harbour. Over here to the right, there is this very big kitchen with everything you need. You have the stove, coffee maker, microwave, fridge, and look at your view. Back behind here, there is your ensuite bathroom, recently renovated. It's so modern and pretty. We love the tile work in here. Truly such a lovely spot. Picture perfect. Next up, let's check out this 2-bedroom. This can be rented together to make 2 bedrooms. It is perfect for families traveling together. Gosh, it is stunning in here. I just love the crown moldings, the overhead lighting. It is beautiful. Let's check out the view real quick. So sunshiny and gorgeous. All right, let's go back inside. You have a huge California king bed, a desk with flat screen TV, and then you have a huge walk-in closet here. So much space. I love all these little touches too. They're so pretty. The beds are super soft. Nice dining table, comfortable sized kitchen with a toaster oven, stove, microwave, coffee maker, toaster, fridge, really everything that you need. And then through here you have a modern and renovated bathroom with built-in bench seating in the shower area, which is really nice, and hair dryer and everything else. It's a really lovely suite. So let's go check out the upstairs part of the unit. This is a 2-bedroom unit. This is the beautiful second master suite. Let's take a look at the view. Gosh, it is just breathtaking. You see all of Island Harbour out there. The second floor really makes a difference. And such a nice breeze comes through this part of the island, so it always keeps you nice and cool. It's just lovely. You have this little seating area here. And then inside you have a desk, armoire, TV, beautiful California king bed, 4-poster bed with vaulted ceilings. And then back through here you have the walk-in closet and another gorgeous bathroom. So nice and modern, I love it, with a rain shower. So now we are going into the 9th building. This building has 2 units. We're gonna go check out the top unit. The view from up here is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, doesn't that just take your breath away? Look at all of this light and view. gosh, you have Silly K right over there. This is an enormous wraparound terrace. The views, the breeze, it is so heavenly, just totally relaxing up here. So let's go check out the room. You have this sweet little area, perfect for breakfast. And then you have this enormous California king. I love all the fixtures, the sea fans and the beautiful mirrors and the arched ceilings. You have a big armoire, flat screen TV. And then through here, you have a smaller kitchenette. So you just have the fridge and then a hot plate coffee maker, things like that. Through here, you have another beautiful modern bathroom, complete with the view of Island Harbour and Silly K. It just doesn't get better than this. This is such a beautiful suite, just absolutely gorgeous.
That was a look at the rooms here at Arawak.
Arawak also offers a number of amenities like super high-speed internet. They do hiking excursions. They include the use of beach equipment and our favorite activity, stand-up paddleboarding to Silly K.
Let's go!
Woohoo! So beautiful. Such a gorgeous paddle over here.
Alright guys, that was a look at the Arawak Beach Club.
The new owners, Mindy and Judd, have done a tremendous job. The rooms are gorgeous and they're adding tons of new features like a brand new pool and restaurant. They really have gone above and beyond and the hotel is back offering amazing value for your dollar.
To book your stay with the Arawak Beach Club, click the link down below.
We will see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching!
Bye!